Hi, and welcome back to Market Conversations. Today is February 22nd, and I just want to talk a little bit about Sundial Growers. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and stick around. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon page where like-minded people can get together and talk about penny stocks, cryptocurrencies, and options. I will also be sharing my trades on there as well. Some of these trades I got in very early, like this stock that I'm going to talk about. I know most people got in around $2 to $3, but I got in when it was just under 40 cents. So let's take a quick look at that. You can see the first time I bought this, it was back in November 6th. It was at 39 cents. And then I sold at 56 cents, and then I rebought in again when it went under 30 cents. It was at 28 cents. So I just want to be able to share these alerts with people. So that's why I created a Patreon page where people can share ideas so we don't miss on these penny stocks, and we want to get in before it starts going up, because once everybody is talking about it, it's already too late most of the time. If you guys are interested in joining, go ahead and check out my link down below. I'm very active on there, and I love to share my trades. And it's always fun trading the same stocks together. Let's just take a look at the 1 month daily charts. So today it closed at $1.43. It is down to $1.39 after hours. On February 11th, we can see that it rallied all the way up to $3.96 before selling off, and we had several sell-off days already, and now we might see a bounce here around $137 and $140, because on February 18th, we were able to bounce off of the $140. Here, $137, and then today it bounced off $140. So right now, that support, the $137, the $140, is acting as a very strong support. Today, we saw the market sell off, and this is a good opportunity to either average down or possibly get in if you haven't already. So today, the New Jersey governor signs laws to legalize marijuana use and decriminalize possession. Governor Phil Murphy signed historical legislation to legalize adult use cannabis, decriminalize marijuana possession in small amounts, limit the use of previous marijuana convictions, and create a regulated cannabis marketplace. This is good news for the marijuana market, and the marijuana market is rising. So there were several news that happened just recently from Sundial. The first one was they announced issuance of new warrants, and that they raised $89.1 million proceeds from warrant exercises. They can now use this cash to expand their company and create new products. So it's not always a bad thing when companies are doing share offerings. And also, Sundial took a $22 million stake in Indivior, which is a Canadian producer of marijuana edibles. This is good news because they are expanding and using the money the company has raised. The last good news is that Sundial was able to regain compliance with NASDAQ. The stock traded over $1 a share for 10 consecutive days, so they don't have to worry about being delisted again. If you don't already know, Sundial is debt-free. They announced this back in December. The CEO has stated, while many cannabis companies have significant debt burdens, Sundial is proud to announce that we are now debt-free. In February 2020, the global pandemic was just emerging. Sundial is running out of cash just 2 quarters after its IPO, and we were in breach of confidence and under the terms of our senior secured credit facility. Through a combination of asset sales, debt-first equity swaps, capital raises, and cash repayments, we have eliminated $227 million in debt this year. Our financial restructuring is now complete, enabling us to bring greater focus to what really matters, delighting consumers. This stock does have a lot of growth potential. They have no debt. Once the Biden administration decriminalizes marijuana, this stock can easily go much higher. My price target for Sundial is at least $5 by summertime. Let me know in the comments what you think of Sundial. Before I let you go, I just want to talk a little bit about solar integrated roofing. Today, it is up 8%. If we take a look at this chart here, It went from a low of 0.36 all the way to $3 before selling off, and right now it is consolidating. This stock is going to be huge. Let's just take a look at what they actually do. So they are an integrated single-source solar power and roofing systems installation company specializing in commercial and residential properties in the Southern California market. The company's broad array of solutions includes sales and installation of solar energy systems, battery backup, and electric vehicle charging stations to roofing. February 3rd, they announced the official opening of the operations of the company's dedicated electric charging solutions division, which is currently exploring the potential acquisition of several EV charger installers nationwide to expand the company's own Tesla certified installer network and better enable the transportation sector's energy infrastructure of the future. According to a research report, the EV charging market size is set to surpass the $39 billion mark by 2027, growing at a 40% rate from 2020 through 2027. This stock does have a lot of potential. As you can see, I have 3,500 shares. I know it's not a lot, but I am planning to add more as time goes on. I try not to put all my money into one stock at one time, because what happens if it dips? I have no money to buy the dips. So I like to have money on the side and average up or average down. This is definitely a stock that you guys should keep on your watch list. But before buying any type of securities, please conduct your own due diligence. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you're holding onto any of these stocks or what you think about them. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.